This is a W8SRC. People are finally using my Simplex repeater. We have KN8A out of Chelsea.
I'm running about 50 watts.
KD8SWT and Howell.
20 feet up in the air, so I should have a decent signal coming into this. I've been known to talk to Stuart on this repeater for a little while.
Out of curiosity, have you ever tried to hit the Chelsea 4.5 repeater?
.45. That's a good repeater. I've hit it a lot. Checked into the Chelsea Amateur Clubbing that a lot. As you can see in my other video last year, I was net control one time for the net, and it's been a popular video, so that's the repeater they're talking about. And of course, SWT is making a huge transmission.
I've tried that one a couple of times, but I think my antenna might be just pointing in the wrong direction. My antenna is a vertical, but it's like all antennas, they have a certain radiation pattern, and I think mine is sort of outside of it, so I can't quite hit that one. But I can get the Lansing repeaters, and which, if I'm correct as far as my directions are, that Chelsea is just a little bit north of Lansing, right?
You can see the signal levels and everything coming through. That green is the volume level, the orange means it's transmitting. In a little while, when it goes into transmit, you'll only see the green flashing steadily. Not flashing, lighting up, as you can see. So,
Between Jackson and Ann Arbor, right off of I-94. So it should be at about, if you're at the center of the clock, it should be at about 7:30 or 7, yeah, I would say about 7:30, 6:30, 7:30 from you.
Yeah, actually, yeah, it might be able to hit it. What's the frequency for it?
it's 145.45 with a 100 Hz PL. Oh, great, that was a complete double. I'm always making a long transmission.
145.45. It's got a lot less power than the 1.5, the Skywarn repeater, but it's a little bit higher. And you're in a good spot. Chelsea might be behind a hill from you. I have almost exactly the same setup as you, an old Ringo Ranger 2 up about 20 feet with a 55 watt old Yaesu mobile rig going in
W8SRC. Yeah, the Livingston Amateur Club net is coming on, so I should QSY to the 6.8. So I'm gonna, after real sign, I'm gonna turn off the Simplex repeater for now, and I'll turn it back on around 9:30 or 10, and then leave it up all through basically tomorrow. 7.3, and we'll be QSY to the Lark repeater. In case you want to check in, KN8A, it's 146.68 with a PL of 162.2. Back to you, John, and 7.3 for now. This is W8SRC.
W8SRC. Yeah, the Livingston Amateur Club net is coming on, so I should QSY the 6.8. So I'm gonna after we all sign in. Well, okay. Anyway, cheers all. 7.3. I'm gonna QSY back to the 1.5. 1.45 to 1.5. Thank you, Stuart. John? Yeah, 7.3 1 and all. KD8 QSY. Will be QSY to the Lark repeater. In case you want to check in, KN8A, it's 146.68 with a PL of 162.2. Back to you, John, and 7.3 for now. This is W8SRC.
How dare KN8's signal goes beyond mine. I'm like a foot away from the stupid repeater. Well, okay, I'm like 20 or 30 feet from the transmitter, but still, I'm closer to the transmitter than he is. He should.
732, and I'll QSY over the 14668 repeater. So I'll see you guys there, Stuart. But before you go, Stuart, I have to real quick do something, so I won't be able to chat till the net starts, so I'll stand by for the net on the 14668 repeater. This is KD8SWT QSY.
QSL, this is W8SRC QSY.
So this is W8SRC QSY.
Okay, that was it. 7.3 for now. W8SRC.